In today's video, we're going to review Zoho Workplace, an all-in-one suite designed to enhance productivity and collaboration across teams. Zoho Workplace is an integrated platform that brings together essential business applications, enabling businesses to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. If you're looking for a comprehensive tool to optimize your business processes, Zoho Workplace might be the perfect fit. Let's get into Zoho Workplace. First off, what is Zoho Workplace? It's a uniformed platform that combines a variety of business tools into one cohesive suite. It includes applications for email, document management, team communication, file storage, and collaboration, all of which are designed to work together seamlessly. The idea behind Zoho Workplace is a creative environment where all of your work tools are integrated, reducing the need to switch between different platforms and enhancing overall productivity. Who is Zoho Workplace for? It's ideal for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. It's particularly beneficial for teams that need to collaborate on projects, share files, and communicate regularly. Zoho Workplace is also great for businesses looking for a scalable solution that can grow with them. Whether you're a freelancer, managing multiple clients, or a large organization with complex workflows, Zoho Workplace offers the tools you need to keep everything running smoothly. Let's talk about the key features of Zoho Workplace. Zoho Workplace offers a rich set of features designed to meet the diverse needs of modern businesses. Here's a closer look at some of the key components. Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is a secure, ad-free email service that's part of the Zoho Workplace suite. It's designed to handle all of your business communication needs with features like custom domain-based email addresses, advanced filters, and email forwarding. Zoho Mail integrates with other Zoho apps, allowing you to manage emails, tasks, and calendar events from a single interface. This integration ensures that you can stay on top of all of your communication without needing to jump between different apps. Zoho Cliq. Zoho Cliq is a team communication tool that supports real-time messaging, group chats, and channels. It's designed to facilitate collaboration by making it easy to communicate with team members, share files, and manage tasks. Zoho Cliq also integrates with other Zoho apps, so you can share documents from Zoho WorkDrive, schedule meetings via Zoho Calendar, and more, all without leaving the chat window. The tool also supports voice and video calls, making it a comprehensive solution for team communication. Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a cloud-based storage solution that allows teams to store, share, and collaborate on documents in real time. With Zoho WorkDrive, you can create shared team folders, manage access permissions, and track changes to documents. It integrates seamlessly with Zoho's Office suite, Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, and Zoho Show, enabling you to create, edit, and collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly within WorkDrive. This makes it easy to keep all of your work in one place and ensures that everyone on your team has access to the latest versions of files. Zoho Connect. Zoho Connect is a social intranet that facilitates team collaboration and knowledge sharing. It includes features like group creation, discussion forums, and a knowledge base where you can store important company information. Zoho Connect is designed to help teams stay connected and informed, making it easier to collaborate on projects and share updates. The tool also includes task management features, allowing you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all within the same platform. Zoho Meeting. Zoho Meeting is a video conferencing tool that integrates with Zoho Calendar, allowing you to schedule, host, and manage virtual meetings and webinars effortlessly. Zoho Meeting supports screen sharing and recording and breakout rooms, making it a very versatile tool for both internal meetings and client presentations. The integration with Zoho Calendar ensures that you can manage your schedule and join meetings directly from your email or calendar interface. Let's talk about Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, and Zoho Show. These tools make up Zoho's Office suite, offering full-featured applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Zoho Writer is a powerful word processor with collaboration features. Zoho Sheet is a spreadsheet tool with advanced data analysis capabilities. And Zoho Show is a presentation tool designed to create engaging slides. All three tools are integrated with Zoho WorkDrive, allowing you to store and share your work in the cloud and collaborate with team members in real time. Let's go over some pros and cons of Zoho Workplace. Pros: integrated ecosystem. One of the biggest strengths of Zoho Workplace is its integrated ecosystem. All the tools you need are in one place, reducing the need to switch between different platforms and and helping you work more efficiently. This integration also means that data flows seamlessly between apps, ensuring that you always have access to the latest information. Number 2, customizable and scalable. Zoho Workplace is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the platform to your specific needs, whether you need to add custom fields, create unique workflows, or integrate with third-party applications. Zoho Workplace gives you the flexibility to do so. It's also scalable, meaning that it can grow with your business. As your team expands, you can add more users and access additional features to meet your changing needs. Number 3, security and compliance. Zoho Workplace takes security seriously, offering robust features like two-factor authentication, encryption, and compliance with global standards such as GDPR. This ensures that your data is protected and that your business remains compliant with regulatory requirements. Zoho also has a strong privacy policy, meaning your data won't be sold to third parties. Number 4, affordability. Compared to other platforms, Zoho Workplace offers a competitive pricing structure. It provides a lot of value for the cost, especially when you consider the range of features included in the suite. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to get the most out of their software budget. Pro number 5, user-friendly interface. Zoho Workplace is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Even users with limited technical skills can quickly get up to speed with the platform, reducing the learning curve and helping teams to be productive from day one. The platform also offers extensive documentation and customer support to help you get the most out of the software. Let's go over some cons. Number 1, learning curve for advanced features. While the basic features of Zoho Workplace are easy to use, there can be a learning curve when it comes to some of the more advanced functionality. For example, setting up complex workflows or integrating with third-party apps may require some technical knowledge. However, Zoho provides plenty of resources, including tutorials and customer support, to help users overcome these challenges. Number 2, limited offline functionality. Zoho Workplace is primarily a cloud-based solution, meaning that access to its features is limited without an internet connection. While this is standard for many modern software platforms, it may be a drawback for users who need to work offline. However, Zoho does offer some offline capabilities, such as the ability to draft emails or edit documents, which can be synced once you're back online. Con number 3, occasional integration glitches. While Zoho Workplace generally integrates well with other Zoho apps, there can be occasional glitches when integrating with non-Zoho third-party applications. These issues are usually minor and can often be resolved by contacting customer support, but they can cause some frustration if you rely heavily on these integrations. Let's go over some of Zoho Workplace competitors. While Zoho Workplace offers a comprehensive suite of tools, it faces competition from several other platforms that provide similar functionality. Some of the main competitors include Microsoft 365, a widely used platform that combines Office applications like Word, Excel, and Outlook with cloud services like OneDrive or Teams for collaboration. Google Workspace is known for its robust suite of cloud-based tools, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, and Meet. Google Workspace is favored for its seamless integration and ease of use. Another competitor is Slack. Slack is primarily a communication tool, but also integrates with various other apps, providing strong collaboration capabilities, particularly for teams focused on real-time messaging and project management. Dropbox Business. Another competitor is Dropbox Business. While Dropbox is primarily a file storage and sharing platform, it also offers collaboration tools that make it a strong contender, especially for teams focused on document management. Each of these competitors offers unique strengths, but Zoho Workplace stands out for its integration of various tools into one cohesive platform, offering excellent value for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. Let's now take a look at the pricing for Zoho Workplace. As you can see, there is standard, professional, and the mail-only plan. Here we're looking at the month-to-month, so here you can see the standard plan, which is the most popular, is $4 per users per month. As you can see, it has 30 gigabytes of mail storage per user, and you have access to Zoho Mail, Zoho WorkDrive, Zoho Office Suites, and Zoho Cliq, and Zoho Meeting. There's also a professional plan, and this is $7 per user per month. As you can see, the professional has everything in standard plus Zoho Mail, Zoho Meeting, Zoho Connect, and Zoho Cliq. Again, they have all the same applications, but just plus these extra add-ons. And then you can see the mail-only plans, and this is only on the yearly subscription, but it has email hosting for multiple domains, email routing, and more, as well as the calendar access. Here you can see is monthly, but if you pay yearly, you do save a little bit of money. If you're not already signed up for Zoho Workplace, go ahead and click the link in the description to get started. Next up, let's go ahead and take a quick tour of the Zoho Workplace. As you can see, the setup is very clean and intuitive. It has Zoho Books, Calendar, Campaigns, Cliq, Connect, Desk, Invoice, Mail, People, Projects, Sheets, Show, WorkDrive, and Writer. The Zoho Workplace dashboard is your central hub for managing all of your business tools. From here, you can quickly access all of the applications within the suite, including Zoho Mail, Cliq, WorkDrive, and more. The dashboard is customizable, allowing you to arrange the apps and widgets to match your workflow. You can also set up notifications and shortcuts for frequently used tools, ensuring that you have everything you need at your fingertips. In conclusion, Zoho Workplace is a powerful integrated solution that brings together all the tools your team needs to communicate, collaborate, and manage projects efficiently. Its comprehensive feature set, affordability, and user-friendly interface makes it a top choice for businesses looking to streamline their operations and enhance productivity. We highly recommend Zoho Workplace because it offers a robust, all-in-one platform that can adapt to the needs of any business. Its integrated ecosystem ensures that all your tools work together seamlessly, improving efficiency and reducing the need to switch between multiple platforms. The platform's scalability, affordability, and security features make it a great investment for businesses of all sizes. If you're ready to elevate your business operations, make sure to click the link in the description to get signed up and start using Zoho Workplace today. If you do, these are affiliate links, so we do get a small commission at no cost to you. If you choose to use our links, we just want to thank you in advance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more. This channel is dedicated to help you make informed decisions about the software you use to run your businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.